Some friendships seem impossible until they happen. Meet Milo, a gentle dog, and Cracker, a tiny, injured bird. They came from completely different worlds, yet their story proves that kindness has no limits.
What's that? What's that?
Cracker was found alone in a park with a badly injured wing. After a veterinary checkup, the news was heartbreaking. Even if he recovered, he would never be able to fly long distances again. Returning to the wild was no longer an option, so he was given a new home. From the very first day, Milo seemed to understand. He quietly sat beside Cracker's cage for hours, never barking or acting excited. His calm presence made the frightened little bird feel safe. As the days passed, Cracker slowly regained his strength and confidence. Before long, the two became inseparable. Milo always moved gently around his tiny friend, carefully lowering his head and watching every step, as if he knew Cracker needed extra protection. Then, one day, everything changed. Cracker disappeared. The house suddenly felt empty. Milo stopped playing and spent his days sitting near the empty cage, silently waiting. It was impossible not to feel his sadness. Weeks later, hope arrived through an online post. A bird matching Cracker's description had been found and taken to a local vet clinic. When the family arrived, Cracker seemed quiet and uncertain, until Milo walked into the room. The moment they saw each other, everything changed. Cracker immediately moved toward his best friend, making soft, familiar sounds. Milo gently rushed over, greeting him with the same care and affection he had always shown. There was no mistake. They had found each other again. Back at home, they picked up right where they had left off, never wanting to be apart again. Their friendship reminds us that the deepest connections aren't built on looking alike or coming from the same world. They're built on compassion, patience, and unconditional love. Sometimes, the most extraordinary friendships are the ones no one ever expects. If this heartwarming story brought a smile to your face, please give this video a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more inspiring animal stories. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next amazing adventure.